Today I want to show you how to make a narrow Notion column. This small trick is useful when you have a property value that is smaller than the minimal width of a column, and it makes your workspace much cleaner. Let's take a look. As an example, I will be using a project management template. A link to it you can find in the description. I have a task database with a property priority with values from 1 to 5. So it's always a 1 character long string, but the default minimum width is too wide as for my liking, so I want it to be narrow like this. To make it happen, first thing you need to do is to change type to checkbox or number. Both of them works fine. Now you have the opportunity to make it smaller. I like to drag it right before I can see the property name. Next, change the type back to where it was before, select in our case, and here you go. You have all values saved and the column is smaller now. That's basically it, but I have a couple more advices for you. First one is to adjust the column size inside an original database. It can be found in breadcrumbs of pages inside. The reasoning behind it is that when you create a new linked views, they already will be using this narrow column width. Let me show you. I will create two linked database views. First one will be the backlog we just edited. And as you can see, we have the same column width. So basically you don't have to repeat this process each time you create a new linked views. But if I use a default view, for example, all, this one does not have an adjusted width, so I cannot resize it further. The second advice is avoid extending the width of a column behind the minimum threshold. Let me show you. For example, if you drag it like here, it's still inside the minimum threshold, so you can drag it back to minimize it. But if you extend it further, you can no longer be able to make it smaller. That's it. I hope this little hack will help you improve your Notion workspace. Also, check out our website. We have great templates and free customizable widgets. See you.